Hey folks, so we're up early this morning. We're on our way to Madrid. While we're there, we're gonna do a bit of sightseeing, so I'm gonna take you along with me. We're about to take the train. Looking forward to going to Madrid and exploring for real this time. First, we stopped to get something to eat.
I got some pulled pork sandwiches with fries and chips. We then went to visit Retiro Park. It has a lot of trees as well as wonderful monuments such as this one right here. It is also home to the Glass Palace right here. So when you go on the inside, along with the beautiful architecture, you can see different art exhibitions which they will hold for different galleries or museums. You can also go rowing on this artificial lake if you choose. Yeah. Madrid has many artists on the streets where you can go to get your face painted or drawn, and I also got an old picture taken by this artist right here.
So we're taking a break right now, just getting a drink, and then we'll be going to where we're staying until orientation tomorrow. So that's it for sightseeing today at least. Hey guys, I'm outside looking at the view. It's really beautiful and awesome. Going sightseeing today was really amazing, and places that I saw were really beautiful. So navigating through Madrid can be a bit difficult, as today I actually got locked out of my SIM card with data because it's a Spanish SIM card. Learning a lot about traveling in a different country with a different language. I plan to meet a friend tomorrow so that I'll be able to use her service. Well, we'll use her service together to navigate the city.
So thankfully I was able to meet up with my friend, and then we stopped for a meal which consisted of croquetas and a sandwich. We then came upon a book fair which is held every Sunday outside of the center of Madrid. One of the most popular places in Madrid is Plaza Mayor, and I was so excited to visit this location after seeing it in many photos and videos. So this plaza has a lot of historical significance because it was the foundation or the home of the most popular market in the 15th century. It is also the biggest plaza in Spain. And along with just watching and looking at the beautiful architecture, tourists can come to have meals in this relaxing setting, or you may do some shopping in the stores that are located within the plaza. Watch out for vendors that are walking around though. Do not engage them if you are not interested in buying anything, even if they seem friendly. This statue right here in the center of the plaza is of King Philip III, and it is very valuable. It's also been moved a couple of times, but right now it's been in the plaza for a while and it seems like it will be here to stay. The last point of the trip was just to be in the city center and look at the different apartments and buildings that are around. The architecture in Madrid is just really lovely.
Guys, I made it. Uh, it took some effort, but I actually got to the station, both stations safely, and I'm now back, well, walking to the apartment. So, yeah, it was great. And by the grace of God, I'm in one piece. I mean, yeah, so, yeah, I'm so tired. It's been a full day, so I'm gonna go and sleep. Looking forward to that.